Lesson number 9, Light and Sound. Hard words. Reflected, luminous, emit, morning, evening, shadow, speak, laugh, instrument, unpleasant, noisy, softly, soothing, sound, blocks. Short answer questions. What are non-luminous object? Answer. An object that does not give off light. Question number 2. Name 3 pleasant sound that we hear in our daily life. Answer 2. Point number 1. Play musical instrument. Point number 2. Ring of doorbell. Point number 3, keeping of birds. Question number 3, why is noise harmful to us? Answer, listening to very loud sound can harm our ears and can even impair our hearing. Question number 4, how does light help us to see things? Answer, we see objects only when light falls on them and is reflected back. Question number 5. How does light travel? Answer, light always travel in a straight line. Long question answers. Question number 1. Differentiate between luminous and non-luminous object. 1. Luminous and non-luminous. Point number 1. Object that give us light are called luminous object. For example, sun, star. Non-luminous object that does not give off light are called non-luminous object. Example, pen, chair. Question number 2. How is the shadow formed? With the help of picture, explain the shadow formed in the morning, noon and evening. Answer. When an object blocks the path of light, it forms a dark area called shadow. 2. Shadow keeps changes in size. A shadow is long in the morning and evening. Point number 2. Whereas shadows are shortest at noon. What are the two kinds of sound? Explain with example. Soft and pleasant. Pleasant sound is soothing to our ears. For example, a whisper and light music, etc. Number 2. Loud and unpleasant. A loud and the hear and is called noise. For example, honking of ear cars, children shouting in a classroom. Question number 4. What are the properties of shadow? Answer. Point number 1. A shadow is always found on the opposite side of the source of light. Point number 2. Shadow keep changing in size. Point number 3. A shadow is long in the morning. Point number 4. A shadow is always black in color. Question number 5. How does sound reach our ears? Answer. When we strike an object with something, the sound is produced. We hear the sound with the help of our ears. Give 2 example. Source of light. Sun, bulb. Number 2. Non-luminous object. Pen, book. Musical instrument. Piano, violin. True and false you are supposed to learn from your textbook. Thank you.